Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do another project pan. So this is the intro of I Heard the 90s, and this is what it looks like from Fantastic Ladies, and you can find them on Facebook. So I am already on Facebook. So yeah, I am excited to start this project since I was born in 1989. So I grew up all in the 90s, so I know basically everything in the 90s, pretty much. There is, so the creator is Laura. It's January 1st, 2022 from December 31st, 2022. So got a year, it's a year on project, monthly updates. This project is all about the 90s, a long year rolling style project. You randomly choose 8 to 10 product prompts and choose products based on the prompts. You finish or meet your goal on the product you roll it out, or randomly choose a new product prompts. So you get, I think there's 40 prompts. So it shows you like all the prompts. What I like to do is do my number generate. So I have it ready. I'm probably gonna do around 8-ish. So number 1 is 25. 31, 11. So I'm writing them down. 2, 19. So we have 5 already. 32. 28. And I believe this is the last one, 12. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'll probably do 8. So we have Thelma and Louise, a dual product, which I think I have one. Dual product, okay. Then we have 31 is plaid. Oh, great. A red or blue product or packaging. So whatever is red or blue product or and packaging or. So we'll see what I have. 11 is Clueless, a product we are clueless on how to apply when you first got into makeup. Oh, probably eyeliner. I know lashes are hard still to apply. We'll see what I choose. We have 2, Smells Like Team Spirit, a scented product. That's probably gonna be easy. 9 will be Jurassic Park, oldest product. Nice. 32, JNCO jeans, bulky packaging. I think I have a bulky package. And so that was 32. We have 28. Got Milk, white product or packaging. Oh, I think I have one. 12 is The Lion King, black owned brand. That's easy. All right. I'll pick my products. So I think I forgot 25 or something, but it says Pokemon, a product that reminds you of your favorite Pokemon. Pikachu. I'm just gonna pick Pikachu. I don't know Pokemon that well, so it reminds me of Pikachu. That's gonna be hard, but we'll see. So I got my products, and it was kind of easy to pick out the products that I have. So I got 8 products right in front of me. They're kind of small and some are big. So let's get to it. First was Pokemon. So I picked the baby lips because I thought it was just perfect. It's still brand new, so it's a full stick of baby lips. I would like to try to finish through this year all my products, so I'll be using that this year. Next was 31 plaid. I kind of like did a little sheets here. So plaid was something blue or red. I picked out ColourPop Cheek Dew, and I thought that would be perfect for plaid, and it kind of reminds me of plaid for some reason, so I thought that was perfect. Clueless, for the Clueless one, I picked out this one because I don't know what to do with this color yet. And yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with this, but I think just like right here what I do with the white and then that, so maybe. I didn't really, you know, I think I might be done with lashes, so I'm not going to try to convince myself to try on lashes and ruin every eye look I create. And eyeliner, I only figure out eyeliner, so whatever, I picked that one. It smells like Teen Spirit. So my old Britney one is like halfway, or like down here, and I kind of want to finish that, even though I hope it doesn't smell yet like a bad smell. But this is what I want to work on and finish up this, because that's old in my collection anyways. So yeah, and something that is old, I think this was Jurassic Park. So Burt's Bees, this is kind of old in my collection. It's like a foundation, so I'll be mixing my foundations up. Right now I'm mixing my Franken with my Becca, and so if I do my Franken, Becca, and this, it's like 5 products of foundation. But if I do very little each time I do my makeup, I think that will be a beautiful combination, maybe, hopefully. But I want that out of my collection. I don't like the smell of Burt's Bees products. I just don't, sadly. So the jeans one, that was 32. The JNCO, JNCO, I don't know, but big and bulky. I figured this is big and bulky in my collection. This Too Faced highlighter in Fancy Pink Diamond. I would like to get a lot of usage. I think is gonna take me forever, but if I do it now, I think that would be nice. I would love this to be done. I would like a lot of products to be done. I like this a lot, but I do like the packaging a lot too. Okay, for the milk, I got milk prompt. I got this liquid eyeliner in white. This is kind of, what do I do with this liquid eyeliner that is white? But I'm going to have to figure out something. So it's kind of mixed in my options of eyeliners. Like, I could have probably done this as well, but I thought white packaging and white product inside will be good. So I will try those out. In black owned, which I only have Juvia's Place, I think. That's the only one. I'm not sure, but all I know is Juvia's Place. I might have more, but I have to do my research. But all I can think about is Juvia's Place for black owned. And this is a Sculpt eye shade brow gel that I got from Buzz Agent, so I thought that would be nice to use that. Right now I'm using the L'Oreal, but I'll probably mix these two together and apply those. So that is it for my I Heart the 90s intro and prompts and everything. And my goal is to finish it all. Just finish it, be done. I don't know if I'm going to be finishing this one, but I'm going to try my best. I'll use it every day. Whenever I do my makeup, I'll try to use what I can each time I do my makeup. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.